In the final section of this chapter, we will briefly explain how to build a 3D scene for intersections. First, switch to the 3D interface. As mentioned in previous sections, 3D models for the road network and signal controller are generated automatically. Now we will show you how to add custom 3D objects. Left-click to activate the building's toolbar, and enter the model library interface, where you can choose from a variety of building models. Simply left-click and drag to import the model directly into the scene interface. Left-click and drag to rotate the scene, or right-click and drag to move the scene to a different position. You can also adjust the building model via the Object Adjusting toolbar. After activating the toolbar, double-click the model to bring up the Object Adjusting interface. Use the zoom to adjust the model size. Use the rotation to adjust the rotation angle of the model. Use the move to relocate the 3D model along the X, Y, and Z spatial axes. Use the object reshape to scale the model in any direction, such as increasing its height or width. Besides the building's toolbar, you can also add 3D objects via the Create Individual Models toolbar option. After activating the toolbar, right-double-click the position where you want to add the 3D model. You can also select models directly from the library and create individual models, or import custom models of your own. The software supports importing 4 types of 3D models. Select a building model from the system library and import it into the scene. Similarly, you can adjust the 3D model via the Object Adjusting. Tweak the parameter values to set the model to the appropriate size and position. Besides building models, you can also import other types of models, including traffic facilities models. You can also add and configure various traffic markings. After adding them, you can adjust their positions, or delete the relevant models as needed. The traffic signs models library includes a variety of 3D models applicable globally. Randomly select to traffic signs models and import them into the scene. Use the Object Adjusting toolbar to adjust the position and orientation of the models. You can also use the Move toolbar to adjust the spatial location of the models. Use the Editable Signs toolbar to add various traffic signs with higher customization flexibility. First, drag the editable signs into the scene. Then make simple adjustments to the model's spatial position. With the Editable Signs toolbar active, double-click the model to bring up the traffic sign editing interface. Follow the instructions in the interface notes to add the street name Broadway Street. Use the mouse wheel to zoom the text in or out, or drag to move its position. Click OK to complete the editing of this traffic sign. Use the Create Linear Objects toolbar to quickly create linear 3D models. Right-click and drag to define the object's position, and the Create Linear Objects pop-up window will appear. You cannot view 3D models in this interface. Go back to the building interface to check the name of the model you want to add. Here we select Guardrail 3. Then return to the Create Linear Objects interface. And select the 3D model named Guardrail 3 from the object file to add it. After making your selection, click OK. You have now completed the creation of the linear model. Double-click the linear object 3D model to adjust the spacing, length, and width of the signal model. You can also use this toolbar to quickly add streetlights along the roadside. Again, confirm the model name beforehand. Use the Create Polygon Objects tool to create area models. Right-click sequentially to set the control points of the area. Then left double-click to bring up the configuration interface. You can select different types of tree 3D models to fill the area model. Here we choose the coconut tree model. You can also use the Create Linear Objects toolbar again to add trees along the roadside. Then set the simulation speed and start the simulation. Use the Driver's View toolbar to select a vehicle, and enter the in-car perspective to observe the modeling effect. Here, we follow the in-car perspective of a left-turning vehicle to observe the traffic flow operation in the scene. You can also select a large vehicle to observe the visualization effect of roadside traffic signs from the in-car perspective. Other 3D function toolbars will be explained in detail in subsequent chapters. The 3D model library includes various categories: buildings, facilities, green, traffic markings, traffic signs, vehicle and pedestrian models, and work zone models. You can open the example files provided in the software. Then switch to 3D view to observe the operation effect of the example road network. Note that the first 3D switch may take a relatively long time. Then open another example of a two-stage crossing intersection. Then switch to 3D view to check the operation effect of the scene. Then click to start the simulation. To view the operation effect of this example, this concludes all the content of this chapter. In the next chapter, we will explain how to build pedestrian models based on this road network.